Hi guys, I will show you on this video how to install Elk Player on Samsung Smart TV. So first you will need to click on the home button, which is on the middle of the remote control. So you click on it, then you go to apps and you click on app search here. Then you type ELK and here is the app, so I will click on it, then click on install, and just wait for the app to get installed, then click on open once it's installed. So the app was installed and I can send my TV Mac to my provider to activate the app for me, or you can do it yourself. I will show you on our next video how to do it yourself.